Handa ka bang i-risk ang career mo sa isang Excel file? Ilang beses ko nang nakita yung kwentong to. Mali-maling formula, hindi nagtutugma yung mga numbers, na-edit yung file tas hindi matrace kung ano nangyari. Madaling manakaw, ma-replicate at ma-alter yung records or worse, na-corrupt yung mismo file. Ganito ka-risky yung pag-rely sa mga spreadsheets, lalo na sa accounting. Ito yung number one mistake natin. We depend on Excel too much. Ang masakit, Excel also depends on us too much. Pag nagkamali ka, mali din siya. Garbage in, garbage out. Ang problema, sa mata ng boss o ng client, hindi Excel error yung tawag doon. Ang tawag doon, accountant's error. So kung ayaw mong masira ang tiwala sa'yo dahil lang sa spreadsheet, it's time to consider accounting automation tools. For systems like Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books, there are always built-in checkpoints. Kailangan kasi reconciled yung bawat section ng accounting kapag gumagamit ka ng ganyan. Something na sobrang hirap ma-achieve if you're using spreadsheets, lalo na kung iwahiwala yung file. Moving from spreadsheets to accounting automation tools is not just about making things easy, but making sure that you're doing things right, lalo na sa accounting. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.